Hi, Rory Singh here from the powerhousemarketer.com. Today we're going to do a quick review of Bruxis, a new investment opportunity that claims that they're based out of Sydney, Australia. So can you really make up to 191% ROI with this deal? Or is it just another scam created to siphon the money out of your wallets? That's what you're going to find out here in this quick review. Before we get started with this Bruxis review, if this is your first time on this channel, find the big red button, click on it, subscribe, and even click on the bell notification icon. That way, every single time I go live with a new piece of helpful information, you'll be one of the very first people to get access to that freshly created content. Also, if you're looking for a legitimate way to make money online, my number one recommended platform, company, and system, powerful affiliate marketing educational platform, been in business for 5 years, and we can teach you, how to put yourself out there, how to generate your own website traffic, how to build your own sales funnel, or you could utilize our sales funnels created by a guy, American, out of Florida, and legitimate, and he's very well known and also very lucrative opportunity. Many people have already fired their boss with the powerful system underneath this video. First link in the description. You can get access to that after you watch this Bruxis review. I'm also going to ask you guys to like this video and share this video so that these type of helpful videos will get to reach more people and help more people. So please like and share, especially if you get some value here. So Bruxis, let's get right into it. Bruxis Financial Investment, Sydney, Australia is what they're claiming to be. And do you want to trade but don't know how to trade like Jack? Thanks to our platform, you can become part of a large investments exchange funds between different currencies and get it income through both manual and automated trading. Okay. So the promise of passive ROI through a network marketing passive investment system. That's what you're looking at, basically in a nutshell. Now the About Us section, that's what I want to know, their history. They claim that they've been around since 2013, the birth of the company, and blah, blah, blah. A whole bunch of different stuff, but they're not showing you who they are. So what you're dealing with here is a case of anonymous ownership. Have they truly been around since 2013? Well, this is a domain search for Bruxis.com. The website was first registered back in January 22nd, 2013. But I did a Wayback Machine archive search on this website, and apparently it was parked for the greater majority of this time. Parked between 2013 right up to 2018. Traffic did not start going into that website until they updated it on June 1st, 2020. Okay, so since it was parked, the website was parked, most likely the anonymous people took ownership. Like there's a whole bunch of these type of domains out for sale, and you can bid on them and get one for yourself. Someone created, the original creator created it in 2013, but the anonymous people that are running the scheme here, Bruxis, only bought it in 2018 and only started implementing and sending traffic. So they really only were in business until June 1st, 2020. So that's not true. They haven't been around since 2013. They purchased this domain, okay? They purchased that domain, Bruxis.com, somewhere between 2018 and 2020. And it didn't go live with people going into it until 2020, late 2020. Okay, so they haven't been around since 2013. Now, product line, they don't have any retailable products or services. However, affiliates can market to make money ROI memberships themselves. Now, let's look at the investments here. That's a compensation plan for Bruxis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just go and look at the minimum here. 21 standard business days plan, and 1 to 1.2% daily ROI is what's being promised, or what they're claiming that they can give you, and a total of 25.2% overall RIO for that 21 day duration. Minimum investment 0.25 USDT to, and they're claiming that you can make 30.25 USDT, otherwise Tether. Let's just go right to the maximum plan here. So 6 different plans. This one here, promise of 2.5% to 2.7% daily, maximum of 191.7%. So that's almost 200% ROI is what they claim that they can give you. Minimum deposit on this one, though, investment, is $125 to a maximum of $500,000, guys, to take the bigger risk. So it looks like a lot of unsustainable ROI. I'll explain why I say unsustainable. Now, I did notice they had a YouTube channel, they had marketing videos, and in the videos, what seemed to be was two guys, seemed to be Russian guys, especially since they actually had Russian writing on the wall in one of the videos. So it looks like paid actors, another opportunity for Russian businessmen who are anonymous, who are doing the Bruxis and Weisling route by and even soft trade AI. That was one that came out last year and scammed out last year. So it seems like the new thing. Russian guys start a business anonymously, pay actors to pretend they're like main people, and then offer you unsustainable ROI is what I'm seeing here. Now, traffic as of today, Haiti 12.9%, 6.5% coming from the US, and 6.4% out of Vietnam. Now, let me see one more thing here. Documents. I believed I seen an ASIC certificate, right? That means that they registered or put in an initial request to register with the Australia Securities Commission. Okay. Now, Australia Securities Commission, you can't take these people serious. You know, since I'll just show you something quickly here before we go. I want to make this short and quick. I know you guys are busy. 6.5% of the traffic today is coming from the US. They're not registered with the SEC. You're not registered in Haiti. You're not registered in Vietnam to offer you guys a passive return on an investment to the public, except in Australia. But Australia is kind of a joke. ASIC, they did an alert on a scheme called Bruxis that hired fake actors with fake identities. They turned out to be models from Moscow. Model is an actor and an actress from Moscow, pretending to be CEO and CMO. And when they actually scammed out, when people found out their real identities, no one invested anymore, and network marketing recruitment dried right up. Okay, and they were actually had registration, initial registration. They didn't follow right through, but they started the ball rolling, like what I'm seeing here with the ASIC, and ASIC initiated an investor fraud warning after Bruxis scammed out, like about 2 weeks after, right? So ASIC is a joke, is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I always recommend you guys go out and do your own due diligence and research. So let me get to a quick conclusion and verdict. I don't recommend this platform. Looks like another deal that's going to eventually, in order for a few people at the top to make money, then the only people that actually make money here, of course, are the anonymous owners. They take most of the money, and the affiliates get a portion of it, and they usually get paid while the platform's up and running, and usually the newer investors. Okay. As with the case with a couple other schemes lately, there's another one called PGI Global, and the majority of investors are not getting paid right now. Only the people who got in at the beginning are getting paid. Okay, so that's how these things work. Too much risk for me to recommend this. Number one, anonymous people that own it. Number two, they're only registered with the ASIC, which is a joke. Number three, unsustainable ROI. This is the big daddy right here. If they can actually come up with 191% ROI, why the heck do they need you, some random stranger online, right? Why would they need a compensation plan, network marketing compensation plan? Why would they need network marketers to go out there and create revenue, right? That's some things that you really need to look at and think about. If they can actually come up with a way to make 191%, 191.7% overall for the 71, I mean, someone can come in here and make a lot of money according to this investment plan right here, the 71 plan. But if they can actually do that, why would they need you? They would just go out there and silently make billions of dollars for themselves without network marketing. Another red flag would be actors in the videos and Russian writing on the wall, and they seem to be pretending that they're in Australia. And finally, the last red flag that I'm seeing here, there's no proof of any external revenue to pay the investor. All kinds of claims like trading bots and revenue on the from the outside through trading, exchange operations, venture investments. But they're only telling you guys that. They're not showing any proof. So I don't recommend it. Too much risk here for me to endorse something like this. At the end of the day, it's up to you to make your own decision. If you feel like it's the right decision for you, then go in there. If you are going to go in, I would say be very cautious. Okay, don't invest any more than you're willing to lose. But I would say don't invest anything. But that's just me using common sense. Anyways, thank you for watching and listening to my Bruxis.com review. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a great day, guys.